for those of you who are not absent from class, I know you will already have this, but for those of you who happens to get absent or who want to get a review of this explanation, I'll just try to do it in brief. Now, if a and b are two unequal rational numbers, so that a plus b by 2 is a rational number lying between a and b. Now, the question gives us two unequal rational numbers, that is a and b. Now, if they are unequal, that means there has to be something that lies in between a and b. And we have to prove that a plus b by 2 is a rational number that lies between a and b. So, since the question already gives us that a and b are unequal, let's simply assume that a is smaller than b. Now here, if you add a on both sides, then you have to add a here also, adding a on both sides, okay, inside this. Then one lollipop and one lollipop will give you two lollipops. That is what we use to explain inside the class. Here, a added two times will give you twice a. You cannot add two unknown identities, so you will just keep it as it is. Then you will get a. Why? Because there is a multiplication sign in between these two. And when you transfer it, then multiplication sign will be division, isn't it? So a will be less than a plus b by 2. Now let's put this as equation number 1. Now let's look at another case. Here a is smaller than b. In the first one, you add a on both sides. But in the second one, why don't you try to add b on both sides? Now you're going to get a plus b, b plus b. You cannot add two unknown identities together, so a plus b will remain the same. Now, b added together will give you 2b, isn't it? Same case as the lollipop theory. Now, a plus b divided by 2. There is a multiplication sign here. So when you transfer it, it becomes division. And then you are going to get b. So, you can show that a plus b by 2 is smaller than b. Now, let's try to compare this. Now, let's take an example like this. If I say 3 is smaller than 4 and 4 is smaller than 5, how will I arrange this? 3 will become the smallest number, and then 4 will be in the middle, and 5 will become the greatest number. Here also, if you see, a is smaller than a plus b by 2, but this a plus b by 2 is smaller than b again. That means we have a complete proof that a will be the smallest and b will be the greatest. This is simply the rough calculation. The formal answer with the wordings and all will be given in your textbook. Please refer to it, and if you have any misunderstanding or you have any doubts, you can ask me inside the class. Again, we will open another class for revision only. Okay.